Welcome, and let us look at this question. Solve the equation 2 plus x is equal to the root of 8 times x raised to power half. So what we have is x plus 2, that is 2 plus x is equal to the root of 8 x raised to power half. So the first thing we're going to do is just square both sides to get rid of the radicals. So here, in this side also. So for this other side, we can use the quadratic properties or the quadratic identities, where we have a plus b squared being equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So if we apply this for the left hand side, we're going to have x squared plus 4x plus 4. And then on the right hand side, the square will cancel the radical there, so we are left with 8 times x raised to power half times that is going to be just x. So it means what we have x squared plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 8x. So now we can collect the like terms so that we have x squared. You bring 8x to the left, it becomes negative 8. So if you add to 4x, you're left with negative 4x. So that is plus 4, and that's equal to 0. So let us solve this quadratic equation that has come up. So we could use factorization method, where we're going to require two numbers whose sum is the same as b, that is minus 4, and their product is the same as 1 times 4, which is just 4. You'll find that those two numbers are negative 2 and negative 2. So all we need to do is just split b into these two. So we are going to have x squared minus 2x minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. So we can look for the common factor between these two, and that is x. So x into x minus 2. So it means we are expecting x minus 2 this side. And if you look here, you have a positive 4. So it means you have to multiply negative 2 by negative 2 to get that. So you have x minus 2, and one of these, x minus 2, is equal to 0. So the product between these two is 0. So it means either the first x minus 2 is equal to 0, so that x is equal to 2, or the second one, that is x minus 2 is equal to 0, so that x is equal to 2. So you have the two values of x, that is x is equal to 2 twice. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.